Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I'm going to unbox the high-end touch smart multimeter. So this is the multimeter. I have a multimeter for about 2 or maybe 3 years. It's working fantastic, no issues with this one. But it's not chargeable. You have to change the battery whenever it's in low. So this thing is working perfect, like I'm using every time. It's because that I need to do everything manual, right? See? So this is also a very good one. So no need to say that this one is damaged, it's not working. Yeah, still I'm gonna use this one. But this one, why I prefer, because it's auto. Whenever you need to use something, just put it in these two wires and that's it. You're good to go. No need to do it like this, or there are small fuses if you use 220 volt. This is AC, accurate current, right? So if you use accurate current and DC and direct current, so maybe I never used it, so maybe there will be something goes off, something I don't know. So let's unpack. It has, wow, this one is good. So I like it. Whenever you use, just put it back in here. It's safe, perfect. Like, because it has a screen, yes? Oh yeah. So how you turn on? This is the turn on. It has 3 switches in this side, and one on this side is the turn on, and it has a flashlight. Okay, 3 is turned on. Okay, so now this is in auto mode, and it also shows the centigrade. That's good. Right now in this area it is 16 centigrade. I don't know this one, maybe, but I know this one. This is for the light of the screen and also the flash. See, here you go. Okay, let's turn back off. It has, okay, so this is the auto, but you don't need auto. You just need one thing. You can go here, volt, on your volt, or the on or beep. Okay, continuity, and that's it. Temperature, it shows temperature 16 Fahrenheit. It shows 61 Fahrenheit right now, and I don't know what's that. That's why I'm telling you to read this before you use it. So it has a USB type C, USB plus type C PD wire to charge it, and it has, oh, this one is for the temperature. It's 16 right now, right? So if you want to use this, so just like in something, you want to put this in something like this is the thing. Okay, so you have to just put it in a cup or hot water. It will show the temperature with this one. It's also a good thing to have it, but right now I don't need it. I have to put it back in here. Okay, so this is the wires. I think it's in a good condition. Let's why when you have scissors, so you're struggling with your hand. very long. Okay, so now let's use it. So black one is going for the com, and the red one goes here. In case if you use this option, then yeah, you use it here, and if you don't, you use it here. There are many options here, and it's not touchable. Okay, so no need to say okay, don't touch here, but yeah, you can scratch the screen. Be careful with that. Okay, so now let's test my very sharp edges. Okay, 4.0 volt, 8.06 volt, and 12 volt, right? Let's put it in charge, what it will say. Okay, so the charger is in back side, so you have to, okay, now just turn off. It doesn't matter when you turn it off or not, it will charge. Okay, so no need to worry if it's on or off. No worries, just put the charger in here. Oh, it's not showing. You know why? Because it shows here. I'm just kidding. There are no features to show in screen that it's charging like phone. It will turn green. When it's green, it means this device is fully charged. So this is a good thing in this auto multimeter